Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your quality and affordable machine tool supplier. Today we present to you the latest generation of our CNC wire EDM machine, the NeoSpark. The cast iron machine frame features a modern C-frame with T-base, multiple reinforcing ribs, precision maintained surfaces, and thermal stress relief. The rigid linear guides and precision preloaded ball screws on all axes ensure permanent mechanical precision. This series features extended U and V axis travels for machining conical contours. The low-wear wire guide keep the EDM wire, which is only 0.18 mm thick, exactly on track, and a special device ensures constant wire tension. A practical wire setup aid reduces idle times. The IPC-based control system with a 15-inch monitor impresses with ease of use and reliability. The software enables the direct import of DXF DWG files and has an extensive parameter library for a variety of materials. A USB interface and an Ethernet connection are available for data import. The electronic hand control device makes it easier for the operator to set up the machine. The generator allows cutting performance of up to 200 mm per minute and has an AC power stabilizer. The dielectric is cleaned with a two-stage filter system. The excellent compromise between cutting accuracy and high cutting rate makes machining with our NeoSpark B series significantly cheaper than with conventional wire EDM machines. The long wire service longevity also allows high productivity with low idle times. At KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a variety of die sinking EDM machines. Contact one of your KNUTH representatives today to find the best solution for your business.